So we stop and what was your name again?
Kingsland, Manchester.
Kingsland, Manchester. So him say have the best sauce. So we are gonna try. I know me go come back and tell you if it's nice. Say have
Best
crab.
crab on the island, yeah?
Best crab. Alright. Take out the big one, them they see it. Yeah. Out of Kingsland. Yeah man. It look nice still. Alright. So you know, so me not pass crab. And they're reasonable guys, cause you say sauce make everything special. So you know, so we are gonna tap and get really little crab. But every time I eat crab, Kayla turn up on a ball, slung on a ball, look at she can't eat nothing in a sea. No crab, no shrimps, nothing at all. So we tap and get the crab. So bless up yourself. Let me see, woman want that?
Yeah.
That one that look like that what you show me?
No man, no.
You go find it while I foot them, cause one foot miss. Oh yeah, put back, replace back your foot them.
Yeah, I get everything. We're not short cheap.
And yeah, and that big one there. Oh God, we're gonna have a crab fest. Alright. So if you now go ask me away at Kingsland and coming out of Mandeville heading to Santa, I'm always there. You having crab hang up. So in cookie and then in dip in nice sauce. Oh, spicy sauce be by the way.
Mildly spicy.
I can't manage it with too much spice, you know, so.
You want to taste it? You can't buy pussy in a bag, you
No,
know?
if you no say extra spicy, you not put it in there, you just put for me spice separate.
I make it taste and they don't judge it based on spice.
Alright.
A la cassette. It's bubbling. People, in the next half an hour, pot land in it. See me? Best curry crab land. Next half hour. Curry well pretty. Remember that.
Can't talk to somebody but that.
Active on the ground, you hear that? There, 365 pepper for years.
Buying crab at Elko Rios.